Have you ever wanted a fun, easy way to enjoy infused honey in a gummy-like treat? These THC honey jelly shots are quick to make, require no baking, and are perfect for microdosing or parties. This recipe will need these ingredients: 1 3-ounce box of flavored gelatin, such as pineapple, mango, or raspberry. 6 THC Infused Honey Stix, which equals 90 milligrams of THC for proper infusion. 1 cup of hot water to dissolve the gelatin. 1/2 cup of cold water to help the mixture set properly. Now let's make our infused jelly shots. First, pour the gelatin powder into a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of hot water and stir until completely dissolved. Next, whisk in the 6 THC Honey Stix until fully combined. Then, pour in the 1/2 cup of cold water to cool the mixture. Carefully pour the liquid into silicone molds or small shot glasses. Refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours until firm. Once set, pop them out and enjoy. This batch makes about 10 to 12 jelly shots, each containing approximately 7.5 to 9 milligrams of THC per piece. For a lower dose, cut each shot into smaller pieces. These infused jelly shots are fruity, chewy, and packed with THC honey goodness. Try this recipe at home and tag us. Follow Make Stix for more infused honey stick recipes.